bodoh. Hari ni kita main game Fears to Fathom Carson House. Carson House ni adalah episod 3. Apa yang aku tak tahu sangat pun pasal episod ni. Jom kita mula. Tak cakap banyak kan. Episod 1 dengan 2 kita main dah. Hampa boleh pergi check game tu, gameplay tu. Mau tolong pergi check Home Alone dengan Northwood Hitchhike. Okay, jom mula. New game Fears to Fathom episod 3 September 24. My name is Noah. I'm 28-year-old male from the Midwest. I have no idea why I'm sending this, but I hope my story can be a lesson. This happened to me when I was 18. But I remember this accident like yesterday, and the trauma dictated a major part of my life. For a little background, my dad was a realtor and almost always become a friend with his client. One day he came home and pitched me a small job offer for the weekend. One of his old clients was going away for a few days and needed somebody he could trust to watch over his house. The man worked as a co at local media company. Apa ko? Syarikat apa ko? Dad told me that the man would pay me $100 just to wash the house and do some basic chores. I accept the offer as I has nothing interesting going for the weekend. Besides, I thought I could use the time to get my school work done. Plus, I was picky where my pocket money come from. My dad drove me to the house. Okay. Kita dapat kerja ayah dah bagi. Hidup benar. Boleh. Dia tu kat topi je, topi. Hujan lebat. Ni biasa baju ke apa ni? Tu apa ni? Kulit lah. Kulit ampun. Pergi belakang ni ke? Kita pergi tengok apa. Hai. Tak masuk basement pula Kita ronda-ronda pintu ni boleh buka? Tak. Tak boleh. Tengok. Bawah ni ada apa? Basement. Jangan kunci dah pintu tu. Hai. What the hell? Aku rasa kita mimpi ni. Panjang elok tu bit ni. Mesti basuh Kita mimpi. Shift to sprint. Ada orang ligan lah. Oh, dah kejap lah. Shift. Siapa tu? Please. What? Where did you put it? What is the place? Where is the place? I need place. What even is the place? Who are you? I don't know why. I said I need bleach. I don't have bleach. Noah? Nap time is over. We are here. You said you could do this. Wake up now. Noah. Wake up. Aku dah agak kita mimpi. Wah, wake up. Buaya dah. You still think you can do this? How long did I doze off for? I got this that. How long? Doesn't matter. Can you do this now? I got this, boy. Roy call inside. The keys should be under the fake rock. Got it. He said it is in the backyard. And like I said, keep the door locked and don't open the door for anyone. I heard you the first time that. Okay, now get your ass to the work. I hope you know I'm only in it for the snack. Dia buat kerja sebab nak snack kan. Tak kita. Goodbye dad. It was nice. A nice neighborhood. Ayah awak. Nice. Kubur pun elok terantong kan. Dia kata dalam kunci kat bawah batu. Dia kata cari batu fake rock. Backyard di mana? Dekat ni backyard tu dekat kan. Ada orang dalam rumah kan. But it's like flashlight fake rock.
What the dog doing?
Back the dog. The back. Aku tak jumpa pun tu. Oh ni. Oh tu dia. Fake rock. Oi. Kita masuk di pintu belakang. Oh, orang tak tahu kita masuk rumah. Betul tak? Ni nak pergi mana eh? Rosh. Ni boleh mengendak tak? Kenapa ingat aku main apa? Festival episode 1 tu. Mengendak-gendak pergi buka pintu. I have to pee. Dia kata nak kecil. Mana tandas? Oh ni? Ada. Ish. Tu. Orang nak mandi-mandi boleh nampak, boleh ngendak. Oh lah tirai ke apa ke. Need to pee right. Tu dia target Tu dia target. Kencing. Jujung. Dia tak boleh target ayat lagi bunyi bising. Kita gelap. Dia tutup lampu. Text one message. Ha? Apa dah? Betul apa? Helicopter. I honestly jealous of Eva Roughly kan? Oh ni Carlson. Thanks for taking up the job, Kate. I really appreciate you do this. I'm sorry I have to leave early. Carlson, my bad. Roy. Banyak lah cik, aku tak nak baca eh. Siapa dia pula Roy Carson. Oh, Roy Carson ni rumah dia ni. I bet it's Roy got this contact from water. Oh, it's really. Cheer bro. Cheer. You alive 7. If you could get him his dog food from the basement. Okay. Dia suruh ambil makanan anjing tak? Kat bawah. Kat basement. God damn boy. Anjing kita kena makan anjing tu. Ada orang tengok kan. Sensor kena check. Ni kunci. Jangan buka. Jangan buka. Bad experience je. Anjing ambil makanan dulu. Basement ni kan. The basement wall later tu tak. Turun tu ya. Gelap gila. Takut. Ni bilik. Ish, tengah tak ada serius. Roy text. I almost apologize for those light in the basement. You can grab the flashlight in the storage room upstairs. No problem, boy. Oh. Jalan tak? Jom kita naik ke atas. Storage room kat mana? I realized the house was way bigger than ours. Kat atas pun ada toilet tak? Bilik tidur. Storage room. Storage room pun gelap. Mana aku tak nampak. Oh ni. Tak kena cepek mata lah. Jauh pun. Tengok ada orang kalau nak tengok memerhati kita. Dia kalau penjahat ni mesti dia tengok dulu kan. Sebelum dia nak ceroboh masuk. The Carson bedroom has the weird smell. Bau apa? Bau ni tak, yang asak-asak lah. Tepi basement ambil makanan anjing. Ni berani sikit ada flashlight kan. Tadi tak ada kelam. Takut. Aku takut ada orang duk menginap lah bawah ni lah. Kan kena cari makanan anjing cepat-cepat. Ni bukan. Mana makanan anjing tu? Dia dalam paket ke apa? Oh ni makanan anjing. Aduh, bukan sini. Aduh, aku pusing lah. Kita ambil yang ada muka anjing. Okay, kita naik pergi makan anjing tu. Jangan ada orang main jump scare lah tadi. Dia makan anjing tu lekat kepala hang. Ni dah tak? Ni. Has to open kena buka dulu baru letak tu. Kita letak tu biar anjing tu buka. Bagus bagi anjing tu bertikari. Ni kat apa ni? Letak saat ni lampu ni. Letak lah. Letak sana ni. Okay. Bikin apa dengan ni? Hui, terlompat. Flashlight jangan terlupa ambil. Ini makan ni. Ini tidur. Okay. Dia rontok makanan terjaga tu. Tetuk tu sebab mereka pun tahu sini kan. Tetuk lah. Tengok kat anjing Roy Stack. Take it heard from water. You are a computer whiz. I have favor to ask. My computer has been acting weird lately and my whole security system is tied to it. Oh yeah, you got a whole security system siap ni. Wow, hebat lah. Satu rumah ada security system. Ada pool lebih semua. Tapi ayat tu tak. Kunci pintu tak ada. Saya have a lot of expensive equipment laying around. Don't you want anything happen to it? Yeah, understand. I will just take a look at your computer. Thanks, kid. Kita cari komputer dia kat mana? Atas. Dan sikit. L Carson 5387. Masuk dah. Kat mana kopi tu dah? Basak tengok umur dah. Lah ni dom. Hai. On. Hello. Hello. You buat dah meter mic. Ni bilik komputer. Mr. Custom office look like a good spot I could sit down to work at. Tu dia ni. Ni zaman bila ni? Komputer tebal. Jom kita mulakan kerja. I remember I was doing calculations that night. Apa dia pasuk dah? Ayla Carson 5384. Password 5384 Ai. Hello. 8487 patut silap. Aduh. 87. Aku 84 memang 84. Okay, kita tengok CCTV naik kan. Kita security. Hey, the system encounter a critical error. What ni tak lihat. Pre-trail for the limit. Apa ni? Air semua tak boleh. Video one. Try to be a better person. Talk and talk, okay. This video will be covering how to talk better. Feel free to take a break, whatever you need. Take one. Don't be rude. Betul. Kau semua ni. Oh jadi. Sorry, it appears that something is wrong with the broadcast. In the meantime, enjoy some happy image. Aku tak rasa happy ni. Aku tak rasa happy image. Email come in and the comments. Takut.
Hello.
I am speechless. Banyaknya orang buat terpisak lah. Jangan tengok lagi. Delete. Sekarang ni nak buka apa pun tak boleh. Ni buat ni get free ni. Antivirus. Up to date. Okay, download now. Download masuk virus. Boleh antivirus tapi nak bagi masuk lagi virus dah. Okay. Scan. Baik. Seperti thread. Apa lah. Remove. Kita jumpa thread lah. Apa virus. Okay, siap. Tak ada orang. Kita check dulu orang ada tak. Aku takut lah. Oh tu. Jalan. We custom tag tak? Tell that to make it, but I think I will drop you at the next tip when I get back. So, kita bank, kita siap lah, kita download lah. Recommend website. Proper check. Oh, what is it about? Will reminds me of cooking with Jeffrey or Channel 10 last night. By the way, the rerun must be on right now. You got watch it with me. Wait, that place got a TV. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Jom kita check CCTV. Tengok ada apa lah CCTV. Ni act ni apa? Tengok act ni. Tengok apa? This program can start because tak ada upload file, tak ada. Tak semua tak boleh komputer ni. Buang komputer ni. Teruk tengok komputer ni. Ish. Tak ada apa kan. Anjing. Oh, anjing tak habis ke makan. Lama elok. Kamera 1 tak ada apa. Naik mod. Basement tak ada. Oh, ni basement dah. Boleh makan ke? Takkan dah je ni. Tak ada orang. Tak ada apa boleh lah. Tak ada apa kan belakang aku. Sekarang ni pergi mana sekarang ni? Oh, kawan kita nak main. Kawan kita nak main, nak tengok TV je kita tengok. Kita turun bawah. Baik tengok kat atas ni kan. Kan ni best tengok TV tu. Oh, tengok TV. Ada TV tu kan. Dia duduk lah. Okay. Cooking Jeffrey.
And today we are cooking.
Masak makanan kucing.
Cat food. It's my favorite
It's on.
dish.
Are you watching cat food?
Enjoyable and healthy.
It's my favorite dish.
Doesn't that just
What?
look delicious?
Betul tak betul kau apa ni?
Yes, it's
Makan makanan kucing.
raw. So first, we are going to gently pour the cat food onto this conveniently placed pan on a stove.
Oh.
To the sizzle. Like a
Right, the
baby
cat food.
suckling upon a mother's bosom.
Huh?
Lucky baby. Okay, now while that's cooking,
Jeffrey
we
just
can work on
just
an
be Jeffrey sometime.
appetizer.
What the?
I will be preparing what's known as a piece of cardboard dipped in milk. We will need a piece of cardboard, a glass, and some milk.
Cardboard.
To start, we poured the milk into the glass.
Alien ke? Siapa tengok cerita ni?
Next, we dip the cardboard into the milk.
Roy.
Look at that. Doesn't that just look nice?
Oh, kena pergi beli makan barang.
Okay, now that the cat
Grocery.
food is finished cooking, we can finally
There is
serve.
some cash in my nightstand.
This looks amazing. Time.
Kita cari, kita pergi beli makanan. Jom. Tak support tengok cerita buruk. Apa? Night shed kat mana? Night stand ke night shed ke? I'm sorry if I think I got run this dude on my ass right now. Want me to get grocery in the middle of night? Oh man. Gonna... No, but you are missing the best part. Alamak. Nightstand sekarang. Ni. Okay, sama ni. Kamu 9.59. Nak dekat pukul 10 lah. Tadi baru pukul 8. Kan? Tadi baru pukul 8 kita buat CCTV tu. Laju yang masa berlalu. Masa untuk public. Roy. For your trouble, get something for yourself as well. Is on the house. Thank you. Jom. Takut orang kau. Roy text lagi. You can take regular bikes is outside the garage. Dan guna anak garage bicycle anak dah. Oh ni outside garage bukan dalam. Kita naik basikal. Oi. Oi. Oh, relax bro. Ni kena pergi belah mana? Kena pergi belah kanan. Laju. Laju je. Dia ada orang ligat ni. Dia menjiak macam mana? Tadi kena tulis 959. Tu good. Pasaraya tu. Okay, sampai. Get out. Ayah dia tahu tu lah. Klasik lah. Dia tinggal aku tu lah. Hey, you doing good? Doing good, you? Doing good, use a shopping basket. Jom. Dia tu beli apa? Cheat ni apa? Tak tahu. Strawberry jelly, Choco Spirit, milk egg, get a garden piece, get honey, rice, ketchup. Don't forget milk and egg. Okay, kita ambil milk and egg dulu. Kita kena ambil yang lah. Kita lupa. Susu mana? Susu. Okay, susu. Egg mana? Egg. Need to find the egg roll. Mana? Tak jumpa. Lah, sini. Tengok. Boleh pergi jatuh. Dia tak jatuh dia tu. Lepas tu kena cari sos tomato. Mana sos tomato? Ni perut sembang mua tu ni. Macam strawberry kan. Strawberry jelly ni kan. Banyak sos ni. Aku sendiri kot sos dah. Kita ambil sos tu. Rice Uncle Tommy only. Dan beras basmati ya. Tisu air. Tak guna dia tu. Hey son, do you work here? I'm just here shopping. Okay son, why? My son likes mustard. I came here looking for it, but I can't find it for the life of me. Do you know where it is? Hold on, I think. Tolong lah. Oh, how nice of you. We'll be right over here. Master mana? Ni kot. Oh ni honey je. Kan tulis curry sauce. Ni choco spread ni tak ada. Ni spread. Ni kan. Masuk ah. Lepas tu ada kita dah, ada dah. Ya, ada dah kot. Kau ni nak nasi. Kau ni master. Anak kecil tu. Untuk. Is that master in your basket? Could you get one for me tu? Aku ambil bagi kat hang lah. Nak bagi kat dia macam mana? Tu ni barang tak tidur senyap Oh ni honey. Okay, honey dah ada lah. Honey get garden peace. Air kat mana Instant. Ni berah kat mana berah? Cari berah tu. Ish. Dia kata Uncle Tommy only. Oh ni Uncle Tommy. Okay, dia dah jumpa ni dah jumpa. Ni Guardian Peace ni minta apa? Dah apa? Sini ya Guardian Peace. And speak of the devil. What are you guys doing here? Siapa dia ni? Kawan dah? Bro, your girl was here. She just left. Who are you talking about? What was her name? Gara of something. Dude, I said they are not dating anymore. Oh yeah, he hoping to that other chick. So quick I did realise. Ni dia perempuan ni pun. Don't listen to her but do she bought ton and ton of can. The hell? I think she throwing like a party or something. You know anything about it? Bro, she look like way older without the makeup. Hey, Miss Energy. Ew, I think she more of like a golf. What you guys done? Are you guys done? Anyway, dude, what are you up to tonight? Just chilling. Kita tak mau pergi apa Just chilling You should come with us, dude. We are going to the movie yesterday. I had the house. Kena abang tengok. Usah lah tak mau abang kat orang. Saya takut ramai. Kalau mereka beritahu kat orang ni jahat tau. You mean at the he goes to school with my sister. Her kid's a real weirdo, especially since his parents split up. Yeah, you guys should have fun. Whatever fill my pocket, I'm in for. Dia nak duit ya. Right, they'll see you at school on the Monday then. See you around. Guardian Peach. Gerak lah. Muka macam Ronaldo ke lah. Aduh. Ronaldo. Lah ni Ratchet. Aduh. Pusing lah. Tepi kecap lah. Ambil. Kita ambil dua pasal. Balik. Okay, siap semua. Ni master tu macam mana? Dah. Tak Garden Peace ni tak jumpa. Tak mau dah. Tepi perempuan. Lah ni Acin tu. Sini saja tu ni tulis Guardian Fish dia. Kau bukan? Kita ronda-ronda dulu. Bukan. Dia lah. Wait je lah. Master. Master. Onto tu hilang lah. Oh ni dia. Onto. Tak. Aku rasa kena ambil tu kat dia. Could you get me one of those? Siapa suruh ambil ni? Buang. Dia tepi bayar lah kat dia. That's really a heavy kit. You able. Tak cukup duit kan? Macam mana? Yes please. Thanks for shopping at. Now you have a good one. Dia kata dia belanja satu on house. Haran tak cukup. Baik, tu Mr. Carlson. Tak guna. Ni nak tolong tak dah? Tak boleh tolong. Dia balik. Apa yang fikir orang tu? Saya master tak hati. Cik tanya kata aku ni sendiri. Let's go. Kita max speed ni. Max speed. Allah belah dia kata orang. Wow. Hui. Dia main-main aku. Di sini rumah belah mana kan? Kita jalan. Dah 46. Rumah dia bentuk macam mana? Sini kan? Aku lupa lah. Have to pee again. I was started to feel a little hungry around the time. And I stay a lot on school work. Accident. Oh mana? Belah ni kanan. Kita tengok. Oh ni bengok ni rumah dah. Aduh. Sini. Tahu. Jom. Dia tu ni torchlight aku hilang mana? Tak juga lihat ah. Torchlight aku hilang tengok. Tak ada. Oh itu. Terapung pula. Torchlight terapung. Torchlight ni ada spiritual energy. Okay, kita tak tu. Mana kita nak kencing dulu kan. Dia cari kencing. Jadi kita buka lampu. Wow. Tinggi sangat. Target tepi. Oh. Jangan target tinggi sangat. Jom kita naik buat school work. Wish hujan lah. Lah. Ni macam mana ada mikrofon baru kan. School work. Oh, Andy Reynolds. Dude, you said you You are at Carson, right? You need to see this. Search up Roy Carson divorce on the internet right now. Okay? Roy Carson. Turn. Carson divorce. Search. Ni. Ui. Bukan video ni lah. Video tadi. Video guide to be a better person. Roy Carson, co-founder of BN Media, allegedly received death threat from the angry fan of his ex-wife. Carson anjing. Okay. Lepas tu? Oi. Tengok. Kak. Who the hell are you? Bro? Kau nak pergi jawab lah? Flashlight jangan buang. Torchlight jangan buang langsung. Aku pergi lampu amaran. Tutup balik ya. Buka pintu, aku takut. Who is it? You delivery for your one medium size from pizza? Huh? I did order any pizza. You have one medium size pepperoni pizza, sir. You must be at the wrong address. It's 224. That's correct. Aku tak tahu berapa alamat rumah ni. It's order by the name of Roy Carson. Oh. Boy.
The hell no!
Mana yang?
Hey, awak.
What? Here. Hey, this is probably a very strange request, but do you think I can wait inside until the rain over? Nak bagi dia masuk. This is not my house. Kita ambil It is probably not very safe to be out here right now, but I forgot my raincoat at the shop. Entah dekat situ je aku nampak. This is not my house. I understand you can just say no. Well, you have a good day. Entah dekat situ ke. Tak. Dia tahu apa? Ada orang pergi kejar. Jom masuk. Kau ni apa? Makan ke? Kita makan macam Home Alone. Sedap tu. Aku lapar Hei. Yang rumah ni, cerita ni pun kepala dia besar pintu gila. Anjing. Bagi duit. Bangun. Aku tengok ada orang belakang.
Jack, are you doing your work? You'll have to spend the night in the dungeon if you don't.
Kita makan
If you
dulu
tell me
tapi
what the radius of 2 squared is, I'll think about sparing you.
look out for
My name
some
is Jack
pizza.
Barnes.
It should
I have
arrive
been held
any minute
hostage
now.
by
Enjoy.
Mr. Holland for 37
Abang lah
days.
dulu.
He makes me solve math work until my head hurts. I can't escape.
Can I use the bathroom?
Hope everything okay. Good night, Noah. Hope everything okay. Sorry, I got caught up with work. Good night, Abe. Sweet dream. Aku dengar macam ada orang dalam kiam kau. Hitam. Ya besar sangat kepala kau. Hah? Tak bagi aku biar makan tau. Aku nak makan semua pizza.
Yeah, you. Come on down. Look at me.
Hmm.
I'm the toilet man. Oh, yeah, I'm the toilet man. I'm the
Betul.
toilet man. Come over here.
Dia pula macam dia. I know her. Who is it? Dia tak buka, dia tinggal. Dia buka kalau dia dah jawab. Sekarang ni kita kena pergi naik atas tengok CCTV. Weh, ada orang tu. Mana dia hilang? Dia pergi kat belakang nanti. Tak tahu. Dia tok apa lepas tu? Tapi check lah. Tapi check lah. Kita pergi check. Check tu kat luar ni. Bagi amaran kat lampu. Takut buka. Who is it? I want ask again. Open lah. Huh? Oh, ada bunga. I didn't know what to make of it. Tahu. Lepas tu dah sekarang ni nak buat apa? Kita check pintu. Tak ke check pintu. Kau check ni lah. Kau ada orang kat liat ni. Dia main belah ni tadi. Kan? Dia lah main belakang ni lah. Aku takut dia masuk kot ni lah. Aku saja sembunyi dalam ni kau tahu. Jom. Cek pintu, cek tingkap. Betul kat tu terbuka ke? Jangan buka pintu. Nak kunci pintu je nak. Kau duduk kat basement tau. Takut lah. Ya. Kita naik atas, kita tidur. Hujan-hujan ni kena tidur. Oh best. Jom kita pergi balik. Andon Center. Hey, how are you? What did you have for dinner? Who the hell are you? Kat gila. Assume it was a wrong number. But it was strange, but I dismissed the thought as a weird coincidence and move on. Besides, I have a lot of work to catch up on. Tok tu. Okay. Kerja sekolah pun tak siap lagi macam mana ni. Mesti ada meter buat kerja. Okay, siap lah. Lepas tu pukul 1.36 AM. While I was in the middle of schoolwork, the power went off. God damn, lama orang dia buat kerja. Are you by yourself? Why do you keep ignoring me? Why are you always so mean to me? You are being very immature right now. Fine, if you are going to be like that, I don't need you anyway. Thought it's so much hotter anyway. Who the hell are you? It's the moment I almost certain that it has to be another. Aku tak dah baca. Lampu ku. Because I pay power backup for his security system tau. Lama Aku rasa aku nak cari DB ni. Sekejap. Dia buat anjing tu menyalak oh. Hah? Kita tengok. Aku takut nak keluar rumah. Pastikan tutup pintu. It was suddenly very cool outside. What's wrong, buddy? Jacob was acting very weird. Ni? Kau? Apa yang TV dekat luar ni? I turn the power back on. I could tell that someone have cut the power off from outside. Okay, balik-balik rumah yang. Sekarang ni kita kena tengok CCTV. Naik atas tengok CCTV. Dia check lagi. You said we did stay friends. Turn this is not funny. I know it's you. Who the hell? Turner. Siapa dah Turner? Kita naik CCTV. Kita kena check. Hah? CCTV dulu. Jangan buat aja lagi. Check dulu. Tengok ada orang kerok. Oh jatuh. Macam mana dia jatuh? Oh. Tak tahulah. Kau ni kita bawa jauh. Kerja ni, kerja. Ada orang pun. I have a strange gut feeling about the situation. It may sound stupid now, but I just did one overthinking thing. Dia tak apa satu pintu ni lah. Kerja dulu. Ada orang kat something downstairs. Tengok CCTV gang. Pintu tu buka. Tengok siapa? Pecah ke? Ada orang bengok tu. To get out of this place. I had to go down and check. God damn. Ayah dah pesan dah tadi suruh kunci pintu. Kacau. Dia ambil pisau apa satu pula. Aku nak lari. Loki is make me very uncomfortable knowing he was in the house. I had to confront her. I did have this contact. I will only SPS. Tak baca tak hati je. Ada orang ni. Dia check CCTV. Apa CCTV ya CCTV. Tak ada orang lah. Kita buat balik kerja kita. In that moment, school work became list on my work. Hai. Nak picit. Nak kena kelak lah. Picit lah kelak. Dia kelak ke pintu belakang. Tutup balik. Di mana ni? Aku takut. Okay, Andy Reynolds check. Kita tanya dah. Dude. Be movie. Aku tak tahu nak baca apa lah. Pergi mana ni? Aku naik bilik tah. Naik bilik. Tengok CCTV. Dok je check CCTV je. Pintu terbuka. Oh, Andy check. Dude, wait. Do you check out? Huh? Oh my god. Tujuh. I feel my heart skip a bit. I froze and keep staring at the screen in pure horror. Dia perempuan. Buat apa? Dia buat apa? Oh, the man. He was right outside the door. The room I was in. Lepas tu Han nak buat apa? Lari lah. Get up. Get the fuck up. Noah? Are you in there? I really miss you. Get the hell out. Hello? Oh, kena cakap lagi anjing tu. Whatever is happening between us, we can work it out together. How do you get in? I have always been nothing but nice to you. But you always treat me like shit. You need help, Kara. I know everything. I know you left me for her. This is exactly why. At least she is not a junkie like you. It's different. But I love you. You need to leave right now. We are deserve a second chance. You know what, I could turn you into the police officer. Do it and I will kill you. I will fucking kill both of you. Bunyilah geng, bunyilah. If I can have you, no one else will. No one shoots.
Noah.
Kalau dia masuk tu aku akan kunci pintu. Oh my god. Betul lah. Sangat bongok ya dengan buat lagi aku tu. Jom kita masuk balik. Kena main lain. Aduh, aku buka awet sangat. Okay, dia main dah kat kita. Dia main balik dah. Naik balik. Kali ni kita tengok. Tadi aku takut sangat sampai aku sembunyi tu weh. Kali ni kita tengok dia buat apa. He was right outside the door to the room I was in. I thought my heart would pound right out of my chest. Dia ketuk pintu. Noah, are you in there? I really miss you. Get the hell up. Whatever is happening between us, we can work out it together. But you always treat me like crap. I know everything. I know you left me for her. You need to leave right now. You know. Dia kecilan sangat. Sembunyi. Dia kena diam. Tengok tu. If I can help you, no one else can choose.
Noah. Tadi aku baru betul. Ai, cakap sikit ni.
Hello, motherfucker.
Awal sangat aku komen. Aku main awal sangat bodoh. Aku rasa dia dalam bilik ni tau. Kalau kita buka ni mati. So kita test buka. Tak tahu. Aku kan dalam bilik ni. Oh, budak kau lah bodoh. Aku dah agak lah dalam bilik ni. Okay, kali ni kita serius. Aku duk main-main lo. Sebab kalau bunyi tu kan, aku rasa kamera tu detect ada orang ni. Lepas tu aku buka. Kali ni tak dia buka. Buka ada. Tak guna dia. Kali ni serius.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, bodoh. Awak dari situ. Empat kali lah. Oh, dia sembunyi macam ni lah. Kan kita kena check tutup oven tu kan. Tapi dia masih sembunyi macam ni. Hai. Oh tu dia kelak lah. Kalau dia ada tu dia kelak lah. Dia ke tepi. Dia kalau mati aku tak tahu. Kita tak ada kali ni. Lama Tutup Tutup kan. Dia akan check kawan dia, tanya. Tak. Oh ya. That's Andy yang kita text Andy, tanya dah. Komen kat rumah ni. Kali ni kalau mati je aku tak tahu. Kita kena diam kali ni. Kali ni kena diam. Kali ni diam.
Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
Noah. Noah.
Running. I running. Yes. Jaya. I left the house and ran down the block. My dad called the cops. True, by the time they arrived, she had already left the house. But I knew she lived. Damn. Kara was one of the first people I met on dating site. She was 3 years older than me, but I found her cute, so we started dating. However, 2 months into our relationship, she started doing meth. I tried to get her help, but she turned it around on me as if I was trying to change her. One day, I have enough and I have to break up with her. I told her to leave and never contact me again. She was pissed. She was trying to convince one of the cops she didn't intend on doing anything wrong that night. Ya, hang bunuh aku berapa kali ya? Malam tu. Hang bunuh aku banyak kali dah bongok. But of course the cop wasn't by it. They are reviewing the footage and show everything. From the point of her entering to the moment she grabbed the kitchen knife. But the thing that messed with me the most was the fact that nothing was stolen for the house. Turns out she was heavily under influence of the drug and alcohol that time, and she was arrested and sentenced for a long while. Penjara. Damn. Banyak kali aku mati. Membandingkan. Okay. Tengok. Oh, dia sampai kat bau beg ah. Memang aku duk je main ni tadi. Berapa kali aku tekan. Back. Okay, aku rasa sampai sini je kot untuk Fears to Fathom Carson House episode 3. Pening juga ke ni. Dia dah juga part-part seram dia. Okay, siapa yang tengok sampai ke berhujung kot sampai sini, terima kasih. Kita akan sambung lagi pada game yang seram yang lain. Okay, bye-bye.